Imagine a company you can trust with your most valuable possession. A company that puts so much care in every service they provide and in every piece of equipment they install. Imagine that same company is committed now more than ever to training the next generation of tradesmen and women, investing in our youth by providing them career opportunities that were almost forgotten. Now imagine that same company prides itself on giving back to the community that has supported it for over 30 years. A company that hasn't forgotten the importance of buying local. Finally, imagine that company is right in your community, right in your neighborhood, ready to serve you. A company where you never have to question workmanship, a company where customer satisfaction is in everything they do. That company is a phone call away. You can trust Corley Plumbing, Air, Electric.